Bonjour, this is Marianne Lecoeur, author of How to be Chic and Elegant and The Tidy Closet. And today I wanted to speak to you about French women and their makeup. You may have noticed, if you've been to France, women do not wear much makeup. So you may call it the no makeup makeup or natural makeup, but it is the same. So today I am making a video, for instance, so I've added a little bit of skin brightener, BB cream, but a tiny minimal amount. I drink a lot of water and could be why my skin is not too bad at all, so I don't really need foundation. I have put on foundation, and I put foundation on occasions, never in the summer months anyway. It is too hot, and if I do that would be during the winter when the skin is a little bit more color, and to unify the skin, and to do videos, for instance, or to go out, but always minimal. It is never a mask. In France we don't wear too much makeup. We like the look more natural. So this is what we do. So for instance, what do I have today? So I know the sunshine is coming in this morning, and it's winter, it's January, so we have the sun shining through, so it's really wonderful. And but maybe for a video it is maybe not too fantastic for me to show you the makeup I have. So what do I have today, for instance? So as I said, I have put a little bit, tiny little bit of BB cream to just unify the skin, mixed in with a little bit of my moisturizer. This is how I do it. I never apply foundation or BB cream on its own. Never, because I find that it's too dark, and you can see the difference. I don't like the mask effect. It has to be natural. So if I'm wearing makeup to do a video, I can go out in the daylight and it will still look alright. I don't want it, to frighten people, because goodness me, what has she got on her face? So this is what I have at the moment. I have a little bit of BB cream mixed with moisturizer. And I said, when I say small, it's a tiny little amount, tiny. Just so that, the little bit of moisturizer is more moisturizer than a BB cream. And I mix it here on my hand. That is a really light color, okay, like a tan color. And I apply it everywhere here, and I mix it down the neck here. I don't put it down the neck, I just put it just here below the jawline, so it doesn't jar in the color. And sometimes I watch videos and I still put a little bit too much. I don't like that. What else have I got? I've put a little bit concealer around the nose here, and a little bit on the eye. Sometimes I can have a little bit of redness. So if you have a little bit more redness, just apply it a bit and mix it up. This is what I have. And I have put today just a little bit of eyeliner and mascara and red lipstick. Red lipstick I find pops up more on the videos, and when I put something paler, I look a little bit too pale. But look at my eyes. This is all. I haven't got anything there. And when I do my live streams, when I do usually live stream from outside, walking, or I have done many live streams on the beach, I usually just have lipstick on. Not even mascara. Nothing. I'm walking around, I'm on the beach. I'm not going to start putting all makeup on, because it is not what we do. So I may have, if I have makeup on, yes, I can go on the beach, but I am not going to put makeup on, on purpose for doing a live stream on the beach. Yes, I put lipstick on because I always have lipstick on when I go out. It's not a red one usually, it could be just a natural one, or like a little gloss or something. But it has to be natural. I do not like myself with a mask on. I will never do that, never have done, and in France we don't do that. We prefer the natural makeup. So this is what we do. You can amp it up a little bit even on a no makeup. For instance, if you go out, just make sure your skin is nice and unified, no red spot, that kind of thing. A little bit of concealer and a little bit of eyeshadow here, and eyeliner and mascara. Put a little bit of blusher if you like and that's it. What more do you need? You don't need false eyelashes. We don't do that here in France. So if you are into the French style, like us French women, obviously, we prefer simple makeup. We don't like to overdo it. We're not into a theater makeup. We're not into, we're not making films. We're not, we don't do that. So we prefer to look more natural, and it brings out more your beauty more. If you have, your eyebrow. Oh yes, the eyebrows. I forgot about that. Today I didn't put anything on my eyebrows, but my eyebrows are starting to be a little bit not as bushy as they used to be. So now and again I put a little bit of eyebrow pencil here, especially there on the front here, and brush it off. Brush it, but it is a fashion at the moment, a trend, and it's been like that for quite a while, of having these super dark eyebrows. On the other side, they look like two caterpillars on your face. No, we don't do that. We just remain, because we prefer the natural look. Because when you think of it, if you see somebody, you walk in the street, something, you see somebody with two large black caterpillars on their face, you're going to be, ooh, what is that? And all you're going to see is those big black caterpillars on their face. Whereas if it's a little more natural, you will notice their beauty, you will notice their eyes, you will notice their mouth, the whole face, as opposed to one feature. If you have false eyelashes, you're going to notice those spider's legs, and that's all you're going to see. It's all a question, again, it's a question of moderation. So we like to see, our style in France is very much understated. The makeup also has to be understated, like, our outfits are understated. So is the makeup, so is our hairstyle. This is, washed my hair this morning, I blow dried it, and I've got nothing in it, shampoo, conditioner, I haven't got anything else. I could put some, mousse, I could have put this, could have put that. I like to put, to put my fingers through my hair, like that, like everyone. And that's it, could put some hair lacquer if I went outside. If I was going out, it was, really windy, put some hair lacquer on. But right now, I haven't got anything. So, and my hair is cut regularly. Sometimes I have it cut every 2 months, but I have it cut occasionally every 4 weeks. My hair grows quite quickly, and I like to have it kind of neat. And in France, you will notice as well that French women have short hair, and especially my age. Not that I'm old or anything like that, but we like to have short hair, and women in their 20s have short hair, and even little girls have short hair as well. It is easy to maintain, it looks good, and you don't have to spend hours on your hair trying to put it up and this and that. It is washed quickly, it is styled quickly, and it dry quickly. Here you are. So this is me today talking about no makeup, how we in France prefer the natural look. So if you like our style, this is what we do. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.